Hello everyone. In this second part, we will learn about the use of references in our project. The use of references is aimed at helping us understand the real-world environment, such as the types of buildings, surrounding vegetation, and camera angles. Okay, before we search for references, let's prepare the software to store our various references. Here we will use a software called PureEarth. Choose the platform we are using. If we want to download the software for free, we can select the custom amount option and input with 0 price. And then we can download and install it as usual. For our first reference, we will search for references related to the surrounding environment. Here we will search using the keyword Seaside Villa Bali. It's important to note that whenever we search for references, we should make sure that they are relevant to our project. Next, references for camera angles and atmosphere. Here we will take references from the Arch Daily website. On this website, we can find many references related to architecture. Not only that, we can also choose the type of project we want on Arch Daily. If we have enough references that we are looking for, we can proceed to the next step.